Tuesday and I'm back out on the docks. You can see here they're getting ready to start loading up trucks. Let's take a quick walk through the dock. Here we're looking at some Roost Grollo. This is a fantastic plant used a lot in commercial landscapes, and we have some gorgeous trees. Heucheras are still looking great in the nursery and the greenhouse. Here we're looking at Carmels. Got some fantastic fall colors here. Would be great in those combination pots. Beautiful 3-gallon crop. Here we're looking at Buxus Lily. Beautiful fall day here with some nice sunshine. Here we're looking at these gorgeous 3-gallon mop cypress, big, heavy, full plants. Azaleas continue to be hot. Gonna spin over here real quick. You see Anna's Magic Ball and some of these holly. Boy, the fruit on these holly are nicely set. This would be great for landscaping and or holiday sales. More of those Anna's Magic Ball. Coming down here, and we're looking at some 5-gallon Wardeye taxes. A lot of taxes shipping out there. We have some beautiful 7-gallon redbuds here. We're looking at Carolina Sweetheart, Hearts of Fire. Beautiful 7-gallons here. Here are several pallets of those 7-gallon Ace of Yukiyamas. Jet Maple's a bit hot. Here we're looking at some 7-gallon. These are Limelight hydrangea trees. You know, they're all trimmed up. They're looking good, ready for planting. And another order of those Japanese maples. We're looking at 7-gallon Tama Yukiyamas. Looking at some Acer Viridis. 15-gallon Blood Goods and Crimson Prince. Great values on these Japanese maples. And just outside the dock here, we're looking at some beautiful 6-foot plus Temple of Bloom coming in. The guys are starting to dig right now and deciduous stuff. And you can see here, gorgeous buds and blooms on these. What a display. It's almost every week on the dock here. We're looking at some of those 25-gallon green giants. A few of the 7-gallon AB spruce. Again, this would be great for landscaping or holiday sales. We're looking at some 7-gallon emerald greens, some 7-gallon green giants, and then 15-gallon green giants. A lot of arborvitae going out for landscape sales. Blue Point junipers, again, 7-gallon, 42-inch. These are gorgeous. Roses, they still have some bud and bloom on them. You know, we're starting to get some cooler temperatures, and they're going to start to shut down here soon, but you can see they're nice, full, heavy plants. They still got a little bit of color. Several Phlox subulata varieties coming out here. They're starting to get a little bit of bud and bloom, and I think it's because of those cooler temperatures. But nice, heavy, full plant. The pink, and here's the blue. There's always a very popular plant, and here we're looking at some gorgeous Nepeta Walker's Low, big, heavy, full, 19 centimeters. Beautiful color on these Itea Henry's Garnet. You know, Itea right now are starting to color up, give a fantastic fall display. Here we're looking at some Stellas. You know, another great landscape plant. You can see how nice and full and heavy those plants are. Again, it's time for them to shut down, but get some big, full, 19 centimeter plants. In the background there, we're looking at Heck of the Loa All Gold. Here we have some Endless Summer hydrangeas. You can see here the full line of them are looking this good. They're in houses right now, so they haven't had that cold winter hit, and they're still looking great. Now, this pallet just came in. We're seeing a lot of these Heuchera Carmel and other varieties coming in. Again, these are looking fantastic for those fall container pots, and great for those landscapes. The plumes here on Tennessee to Hamlins, and then coming down here. Great foliage still on these gold lines. A lot of the new Gen boxwood coming up here. We're looking at 3-gallon. These are independents. Got some 3-gallon Ilex Galabra Dense. I had to pull one of these off to show you the nice full plants all the way to the bottom of the container. Gorgeous. 3-gallon Ilex Galabra Dense. Looking at some, those are Salix and Shikis. I believe those are Midnight Sun. Coming down here, we're looking at a nice crop of these 3-gallon New Gen Freedom. A nice boxer going out. We have our 2-gallon green velvets there, and here we're looking at 3-gallon. These are Globosa aurea, Thuya. These almost every week on the dock, both in the spring and fall. Fire Chief has an amazing color. 3-gallon Nest Spruce are going out. Nice heavy threes. Order those 2-gallon velvet boxwood. You can see a nice consistent pull there. Good value. We had this tractor come by here Getting ready to drop off some more of those Japanese maples. Again, those 7-gallon Tamiyukiyamas are a great value here. More of those 25-gallon green giants. Don't miss out on those Japanese maples. They're already starting to load racks up here, but I just seen this one. This is the new moss juniper in the deer proof program for cool and winter. Gorgeous color to these. Nice full heavy 3-gallon. This is a new one. Put this on your plant palette list. There's more of the boxwood going out. These are the 3-gallon winter gems. Here's some Duravilla. This is Kodiak Fresh, one of the new Duravillas for proven winners. You're starting to see it's getting its fall color. You'll see these great hues with orange and reds and yellows. And coming down there, we're looking at some geranium rosea. You know, we've seen the 3-gallon Ilex Galabra. Here we have the 5-gallon Ilex Galabra densas. Nice heavy full plants. And coming down here, we're looking at some of our 7-gallon Taxus densa planters. And some of the 25-gallon Carpinas. This will give you another peek at the 15-gallon green giants. Exceptional value. You've seen some of the blue hollies over there with great berry set, and here we're looking at some of the Chinas. Look at this gorgeous Japanese maples. Another pallet of those 7-gallon Blue Point junipers. Beautiful plants. I had to show you a couple of these big 20-gallon jet maples coming in here. This is the Full Moon and Dissectum Tamiyukiyama. Look at the size of those gorgeous plants. Here we have some 5-gallon tree magnolias. These are sensational. Here we're looking at some of those gorgeous arborvitaes getting loaded right onto the truck. Here we have some 3-gallon. This is Viburnum winterfern. We've seen these in past videos. Really like this one with its glossy foliage. Fantastic fall color and fruit. Beautiful 3-gallons. Viburnum winterfern. Great color on the 3-gallon. These are Blue Star junipers. Then I'm going to spin over here. You can see this gorgeous consistent crop of 3-gallon Mr. Bully Ball. A little different price point here. We're looking at the 2-gallon Blue Stars. And again, those are really nice size. Good value. Here we're looking at some Buxus Green Velvet. You got nice heavy 3-gallons. Beautiful 3-gallon Mr. Bully. We have some of our 3-gallon green gem boxes. You can see fall color here. These are Roost Tiger Eyes from First Editions. You can see that vibrant fall color here. Nice heavy 3-gallons. That's a quick walk through the dock today. We've seen a lot of great looking plants. The guys are busy getting things loaded up this morning. Be sure to get with the sales team. Geez, I hope we're loading the truck for you.